Hello everyone. Today I'm going to apply this UV glass protector. This is my first ever glass protector. I have never tried it before and I will not cut the video and I will try to put it on and see if I can put successfully or not. So this comes with this one packet of this UV light and this UV glue. This is my own personal phone, so if something goes wrong then I shouldn't be worried about. I don't need to clean with alcohol because I already cleaned my phone, but I'll use this glove to clean a little bit more. And also instead of this I will be using this tape because this one is more stickier than this one. And first I will try on the table, so make it less sticky, and then if there is any thing on the screen, yeah, okay, that's fine. Okay, so yeah, I'll close this one and use the pressure to finish the bottle. Okay. So I have some bubbles which I will try to clear it out with tweezer. Okay, this you can use, but I also have this one, so I will use this one as well, and I also have a bigger one, but first I will try to use the same what they have given in the box. Okay, Okay, funny enough, the one which they have given in the box is not working. So this is damage. So this is in video. I will show this to my supplier as well. Okay, so I will use this one. Luckily, I have two extra backup. Okay. Any extra dust? Okay. Okay, it's leaking out actually on the side. Just try not to bring the glass down to speaker, otherwise the glue will go into the speaker mesh. Okay, this side is okay. So only this bubble I have, I will try to clear that bubble with my tweezer. And yeah, that's cleared. The position is fine. Okay, time to switch on the light and let's see what happens. I forgot to clean the sides, which I should actually. Let me do that. All the extra liquid I should clean on the side. If I put it successfully, then I will be using this in my shop. If I mess up, then I will not use. because one of my friend, he's always insisting me to use this instead of full glue tempered glass. It's recommended to use this one for 1 minute and you just move up and down, but as this is not working, I'm using this one. But instead of that, you can also use the other machine, which I'm going to put it right now. Let me show you now and move my camera and move this phone under that machine. This one. Yeah, and I leave it inside that machine for about 1 minute this side and then 1 minute on the other side. Okay, I'm going to turn this side now. I think it's over a minute. I think it's more than enough, so let me take it out. Okay, let's just test. Oh, there's some extra glue on the back. This is what I don't like. and yeah, this is perfectly fine. The only thing, I should have moved the glass a little bit up because I'm having difficulty sliding down, but it's still working. Other than that, it's perfectly fine, so I will definitely use this and recommend this as well. So if someone buy this and they don't have this, then it's a problem. Otherwise, you can use this if you have. If not, then you can use the big machine just for backup. Thank you very much for watching. I see you in my next video. Bye bye.